Hello, my name is Karun Kaushik. I am your technical expert advisor. Today I welcome you in Eastman Technical Masterclass. Today we will talk about the overview of 400BS model. For connecting the batteries in rack type connections, a rack type structure will be required to set up the batteries. As you can see, the rack is completely shrink wrapped. This is for safe transportation. So let's unwrap the rack. As you can see, there are two keys. One key is kept here and the other key is in the lock from where I can open the rack. Here you can see the rack have 4 slots where we can fix the batteries. This is how we can connect the batteries to the given location one by one. You have to lock the battery using the screw at the given location in the rack. When 4 batteries of 100 BS will be connected in parallel connection, this structure will be called as 400 BS. This connection increases the battery capacity AH/kWh while keeping the voltage same. The rack having 4 wheels at the bottom, so this rack can be moved as per the requirement of the customer. The front 2 wheels can be locked and it is having locking mechanism. So here you can see on the top side of the rack there are 2 exhaust fans for ventilation purpose, by which the batteries will be kept cool during hot days. Also you can see there is a small plate which will be removed from where all the positive and negative connections will be connected to the required bus bar or the combiner box. Thanks for staying with us till the end of this video. Hope the information I shared will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.
Eastman.